So Dakota has $5.38 in her savings account, and each week she adds $2.93. How much money would Dakota have after 5 weeks and then after N weeks? So by the fact that they want us to find it after N weeks, that tells us that they want us to write an expression to solve this. So she definitely already has $5.38. And then she's going to add $2.93 per week. And so week is going to just be represented by n, which is the number of weeks. So that would be our expression. And then they asked specifically about 5 weeks. So for 5 weeks, so we would take 2.93 or $2.93 times 5. Figure out what that is. 15. We've got $14.65 would be 5 weeks, plus the $5.38 she already had in there. She would have $20.03.